What's going on, everybody? Mighty Rides here, bringing you another video. And in today's video, we're just gonna go fucking drive around, waste some gas. Obviously, I need some gas right now. You guys didn't see that. My blinker was totally not on. But yeah, we're just gonna go ride around, waste some gas with a couple of homies. We're gonna have Andrew and Eric. I'm gonna go meet him at the gas station. So yeah, let me pull up real quick. The fuck is Andrew at? What kind of guy leaves his helmet just there? Here, bitch. What up, son? You ready to take another L? You ready to take another L? Alright, guys. Just got out the gas station. About to go get some white girl juice, aka Starbucks. But honestly, I should fucking be sponsored by Starbucks, man. Fuck, man, some stupid ass drivers on the road right now. Oh shit, my hoodie strings are hitting the helmet again. Hold up. That was some fine dine lane splitting right there, brother. Alright. There. Oh shit. Fucking. Bro, what the? I can't get these fucking strings in, bro. My chain and sprocket are kind of loose, and I could ride on my wheelies a little longer because of that, which is a good thing, but also a bad thing because my chain's loose. So I might end up buying one right now after we get this white girl juice. But the homies are up in the back. Up in the back? That made no sense, Marty. The homie Andrew on the Honda CBR 600 RR. Sounds like that, you know, it was up there kind of. And then we got the homie Eric on the 2019 Kawasaki 636. And we're about to go fuck shit up on the street. I tried to let him pass, but he was trying to act hard and shit and didn't pass because he thought he was the alpha male, but fuck him. I'm the alpha male on the road. I'll fuck your shit up. Drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm hot, castle on the hill. And if you're asking yourself, yes, I did see that cop. Come on, bro. I kind of had a feeling there was going to be a cop on this road. I don't don't know why I just did, but they could speed off right in front of us when, you know, we've got to be going the speed limit, which is some bullshit, but, you know, can't complain about that shit. Cannot complain. That's 636 popping the wheel up in second gear. My bad. Starbucks, here we come. Starbucks, yeah. I feel like there's fucking a spider in my fucking helmet or some shit. Oh, there's a fucking shit ton of traffic here right now. I wonder why. There's like too much. Time to get some white girl juice right quick. 669. 69. Yeah, oh shit. Why?
Because I guess I was holding on too hard.
No mames.
You want me to do it?
I have some if you want them.
I'm size small.
Oh shit. What's up, buddy? Hey, look at the Lambo.
Huh?
Look at the Lambo. Oh, you'll see it right now. Son.
Doesn't want it.
I wonder if it's a rental. Last time God damn! Last time I came here, we did like a little race on foot. I'll probably put the video in after I'm done talking and shit. But yeah, we did a little foot race from edge to edge, and well, you'll see what happened. Alright guys, so this is what we're doing. Me and my boy Mario. We're gonna run from this side of the fucking place to all the way at the end. We're gonna be running on our bikes. First one there gets a fucking cookie. Let's get it. I'm gonna smoke your ass. Alright, now do a little U-turn. Go off, I'll give you the close side, don't worry. You ready? George! Say ready, set, go! Shit. Let's go. He's in the back of me. Let's go. Heavy ass breathing. Woo! And the winner, Maori rides. You got lapped. You got lapped. The fuck? Come on, buddy. Almost there. There you go. Alright, you can turn on your bike now. Easy, son. Telling you, I'm like the best parker in the world. Fool. First try, I got that shit in. But yeah, so that happened, and let me just say that was very fun. I'm gonna cycle here and check out the chain and sprocket kit. Gotta look at this guy. Oh, son. The homie Andrew, we're about to split ways. He's gonna dip home. Me and the homie Eric, we're gonna get a little couple more minutes of us riding, and we're gonna dip out. Sad moment. Sad moment.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Shit. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below any feedback that you guys got. Subscribe if you're new. This is Maori Rides, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store.